Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear student, how are you? Hope you are well. I am also well. In this pandemic situation, our school has taken decision to take online class for you. In this situation, you should stay at home, save yourself and save others. My dear student, you should not waste your time. You should study regularly. Side by side, you should observe and watch our online class. My dear student, you know, I am Ziaur Rahman. I am your English teacher. Today, I want to take a class of class 9 and it is English second paper. Now, let us enjoy the class. My dear student, can you see a picture of a man? There is also a boy sitting on the chair in front of the man. And there is another boy who is sitting behind the man. My dear student, the boy, that means one boy is sitting before the man or in front of the man and another is sitting after or back of the man. My dear student, can you guess or can you think what is our today's lesson to discuss? Yes, our today's lesson is suffix and prefix. My dear student, the slide is not for you. This slide is for us as a teacher. This is learning outcome. This is not for you. My dear student, can you see the man? The man looks happy. Next, the man looks unhappy. That means happy. If we want to know the meaning of the word happy, it is sukhi, and its opposite word is unhappy, and its meaning is asukhi. What is it? It is unhappy, asukhi. Happy, happily. What is it? ILY. It is suffix. In the first word unhappy, it is prefix. My dear students, follow me carefully. There is able, and if we add a prefix un, it will be unable. And added, un is added before able. It is called prefix. My dear student, if we add iety after able, it will be ability. It is added after, and it is called suffix. My dear student, if we define prefix, it is letter or letters added before any word and changes its meaning is called prefix. And if we define suffix, that is letter or letters added after any word or and change its form is called suffix. My dear students, now we want to know what is the difference between suffix and prefix. Differences. Prefix is added before a word and changes its meaning. Suffix is added after a word and changes its form. Examples of some prefix: an, in, im, en, etc. Example of some suffix: tion, ity, ly, news, ment, etc. Note: prefix is added directly before the word. Note: if the last letter of the word is et, it is omitted while adding suffix. These are the difference between suffix and prefix. Now let us add some suffix or prefix with the word in the bracket. My dear students, he has no, in the bracket, able to buy a car. That means the answer will be, my dear students, try your level best to find out the answer. Yes, its answer is ability. He has no ability. That means here noun form will be put. So ability is said here. He has no ability to buy a car. Now next, Mother Teresa was rewarded for her, in the bracket we can see human, and in the blank, noun form of human will be put. The noun form of human is humanity. So humanity will be put here. Mother Teresa was rewarded for her humanity. The, in the bracket, perfect of his performance is really, in the bracket, wonder. The answer will be the perfection. The perfection of his performance is really wonderful. That means the perfection, perfect will be turn into perfection, and wonder will turn into wonderful. The result is the perfection of his performance is really wonderful. But a student, here we can say another example. Our parents always, in the bracket, encourage us to put on this dress. That means in the blank there will be verb form of courage. You know, verb form of courage is encourage. My dear student, the answer will be, our parents always encourage us to put on this dress. Now let us watch another example. What a beautiful, in the bracket the word is perform, he displayed. What a beautiful, in the blank the word will be the noun form of perform. The noun form of perform is performance. That means the answer will be, what a beautiful performance he displayed. Now, my dear student, there is an individual work and you have to do it. Now I am reading and follow me. In the past, people did not have developed in the bracket communicate. You have to put answer from communicate facilities. They used to make in the bracket move to short distant places on foot. Nowadays they go by rickshaw, taxi, or by other kinds of in the bracket motor vehicles. As a result, they do not undergo physical in the bracket exert, which is good for health. The ultimate result is that many a man is now getting diabetes. The in the bracket suggest is that we should form the habit of walking. Walking in the bracket, the word is able us to in the bracket joy, the beauty of nature. It also helps us have physical in the bracket, the word is fit. But some people are in the bracket different to walking. They give in the bracket prefer to vehicle. My dear student, try your level best to find out the answers of the given words in the passage. And you have to complete the text adding suffixes or prefixes or both with the root words given in the parenthesis. Now my dear student, check your answer. Communicate will be communication. Move will be movement. Motor will be motorized. Exert will be exertion. Suggest will be suggestion. Able will be enables. Joy will be enjoy. Fit will be fitness. Different will be indifferent. Prefer will be preference. My dear students, hope you have checked your answer. My dear students, in this stage I am giving you some work. You will try your level best to do it at your house. That means you should do it. You will write your answer and you will show us or submit us to examine your answer. The homework is differentiate the suffix and prefix of the word of the following passages after adding suffix and prefix. Now I am reading. Follow me. Smoking produces bracket in the bracket danger effects on men. By smoking a man incurs both physical and in the bracket economy loss. The butt end of a cigarette often causes a in the bracket devastated fire. Smoking is a kind of in the bracket addict. Those who become in the bracket addict to drug first begin smoking, which is initial step to addiction. We should in the bracket smoking G in the bracket aware among our people. It is in the bracket possible to stop smoking by giving in the bracket punish. Next in the bracket out effort from everybody is essential to minimize smoking. My dear students, hope you will complete it and submit to us to examine your answer. Now let us go to the next slide. My dear student, thank you all for watching my online class. Hope you will do your homework and submit your answer to us and examine by us. In this situation, stay home, save yourself, save others. Thank you, my dear students.